To be frank with you, I have a very long story to tell about Magoha because, as you know, I probably am one of the very few people who are privileged to work with Magoha very closely for about 7 years in government. Your Excellency, you may recall that sometime in November 2015, and you moved us around. I woke up in the Ministry of Education with all its troubles at that time. The whole story will be in my memoirs when they're published, but I remember that phone call at midnight when you asked me, umesikia yale nimefanya? I said, yes, sir. Takueleza kesho what I want to do. Anyway, long story short, when I came to Nairobi, you spelled out what you wanted done. Then in around January, February, you appointed Professor Magoha as the chairperson of the Kenya National Examination Council. And I remember that memorable Saturday morning, as though it happened yesterday, when you rounded us up, together with my peers then, Belio Kipsang, Nancy Macharia, Secretary TSC, Professor Magoha, and myself. And you spelled out clearly what you wanted done. Must bring an end to examination cheating in this country. My colleagues know what we go through during those situations. Because you said, mwaje ujinga wa kukusa mtihani hapo. And you said this year, it is not going to happen. Ama mutafute njingine. Then that was the clarion call or order that we needed, which led to the formation of an amazing fraternity in government during some of my happiest days in this life.